Hey guys, what's up? I'm Slim and you're watching Slimothy TV. In this video, we're going to do a quick little unboxing and review of the 6250A Jumpstarter. Now you can see the brand here is JFEGWO. They do actually have a website, so you guys can, explore some of their other products. I think their email domain was something like ATGFOX or something like that on Amazon as well, so you can look them up there. Actually couldn't find this one on Amazon anymore. They have an 8250A now, so there might be a newer one. So we'll try to link everything down below in case you are interested. So this is basically going to be an easy way to jumpstart your car, if you need to, something to keep in your car. It can charge your phone, from what I understand. It can do 13-liter gas or 13-liter diesel. You can see boat, truck, car, motorcycle, and lawnmower. 6,250 amps right here, hence the name. And taking a look around the box, got a 10 protection system, short circuit protection, AI software protection, high temp protection, all the usual stuff that you would expect. Taking a look here. Connect to your car battery, ensure the status indicator shows green, and then start your car. Should be as easy as that. And on the back here, no fear of any situation, super bright light, dust proof, and IP65 water resistant, and 140 degrees temperature protection. So without further ado, let's go ahead and crack this open. And very nice presentation here. We have the Jumpstarter itself with a nice little carrying case here. It's got some heft to it. It says Jumpstarter right there. And nothing else in the box. We can set this off to the side. So here is the Jumpstarter. You can see this is a chungus right here. It's pretty thick. Let's go ahead and open her up. You know what? I think we're gonna have to get the plant out of the way here because we need all the space we can get. All right, so we've got a little quick start guide, user guide right here. And it's got some information on, what's in it, as well as the different ports and how to use it. So you might wanna keep this with it. We have a little foam here for protection. And here is the battery itself. Let's go ahead and pull this out. I want to see how heavy this is. Okay, it's actually not as bad as I thought it would be. So let's go ahead and pull it out. And that is what it looks like. It's got some size to it. It feels ruggedized. Here is the back in case you want to read some of that. And I guess this is the F40 model in case that matters to you. Here it is. Let's press the power button. Okay, so we have some juice in here. 12 volt ready. And it's got these little icons here to let you know if it can start or not. And then right here we have the starter port, it says, and it says do not short circuit. So there it is right there. We're gonna show you guys that here in a second. Here is the flashlights. And on the back here, this is where you're going to charge the device as well as charge other things. So it looks like we've got a USB-C in, we have a USB-C out, and then a USB-A right there. And it's kind of hard to open, but that's probably a good thing. You do not want water getting in here. So there it is. I probably should have just opened it because you can actually see it right there. An in for the USB-C, out for the USB-C, and then an out for USB-A. So whatever kind of phone you got, whatever charger, you can use this. If you're in a pinch, let's say you don't need to jumpstart your car, but you just need a quick top up of your phone battery while you're in the car. This is something you could use. So it's always nice to have an extra battery or something to jumpstart your car at any time. There's some that are super capacitors. There's some that have batteries like this. There's all different types of technology, but you just need to have something just in case because your battery can die at any time. And gift card here, let's not go into that. And then in here, what do we have? We've got the clamps here, and these are like full-size clamps. These are not the little dinky ones that you usually see. This is what you're going to put into here. This is actually a lot larger than I thought it would be, but that's probably a good thing, especially when you're talking about something like this. You want the most safety. So right here it says steps to jumpstart. Insert the clamp wire into the unit. The display will then show waiting for connection. Clip the clamps onto the battery terminals. It says 12 volt ready, it's ready. If not, then you can force start the car because if the battery's too low, and then you can start the car, unplug the clamp wires, and you're good to go. So those are the instructions right there. You can read them if you want. Yeah, these are heavy duty. You could get a hand workout with these because they're so tight, but there you go. That's what the teeth look like on this one. And I'll show you guys this one as well. I cannot jumpstart my car right now because the battery is not dead, and you can actually damage it if you jumpstart a car that's not dead, from what I understand. So we're not going to do that, but I might go ahead and insert a clip of me just connecting it just to show you guys what happens. But for now, let's take a look at this. I'm gonna press and hold this button, see if the flashlight turns on. All right, so it looks like I have it on now. Flash mode is SOS, maybe, and then off. So that's how that looks. Nice little light to have. It's always good to have something small, even if it's, a very small flashlight that can help you in a pinch. You can use it to look around your car, to put it on your trunk, so that other cars don't hit you if your lights are out or something, if your battery's totally dead in your car. But yeah, so this is the Jumpstarter. I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in right now. By the way, it did come with a USB-A to C cable. I guess they're just doing that for backwards compatibility, but I would like to see a C to C cable. Let's just go ahead and do a quick demonstration. So we're just going to go ahead and plug this right into the USB-A output port right here. and I'm just gonna plug in my iPhone 16 Pro and we're gonna see if it charges it. So this thing says it's full battery. We will see if that is true or not. So moment of truth, let's plug it in. Nothing. Well, for some reason it is not charging the phone. So let's try the USB-C port and see, maybe it's the cable, maybe it's the device, I'm not sure. Okay, so it actually must be the cable because I have this USB-A one going through. So maybe the cable they sent out is bad. I'm not sure, I'm gonna try it again. But this is now charging up with the USB-C port. No issues there. This is basically a power bank. All right, let's test out the USB-C port just to be sure. Surprisingly, the USB-C port is not charging up the phone. So that is kind of strange. However, this charger, when I switched off the USB-A adapter, it is working. So I was actually using my own USB-C cable that I know works. So something strange about this, it looks like it only allows certain cables, I guess. I've not seen something like that before, but I'm gonna do some more testing real quick and I'll let you know. Yeah, it is not charging with my own USB-C cable that I know works. So just keep that in mind. You're gonna have to test a cable first before you pack this in your car, and then put that cable in your car so that you know you have it at any given moment that you might need it, because as you can see, it's not charging with this black one. All right, guys, so I went ahead and plugged this in, and you can see on this little screen right here, it says waiting for connection. I'm gonna go down to my car and just plug this in and let's see what it does. All right, guys, it's kind of hard to film this down here in the garage, but you guys can see it does say waiting for connection right now. So I have the positive one clipped up and I'm gonna clip the negative one on right now. And there we go, got a good connection. And this is going to quickly change to 12 volt ready. So now if I wanted to, I would turn this on, head into the car and try to start the car, try to turn it over, and it would presumably start my car. Since my battery is not dead, if I went ahead and did this, from what I heard, it will kind of mess up the car. So I'm gonna go ahead and unclamp this because I can hear that clicking over right now. But that's a quick little overview of how this would work. It's super easy. You don't need another car. You can jumpstart your own car, if you need to. So if you're looking to pick one of these up, I'll have it linked down below if I can find it. It might be a newer version by the time that this video comes out. But big thank you and shout out to the company for sending this out free for review. It's always nice to review something like this that can actually make a difference in someone's life. So I do recommend keeping something similar to this in your car at all times, just in case you need it, because you never know when you're going to get a dead battery. And on top of that, it can also charge your phone up in certain circumstances, as you guys could see. So it's just all around nice to have in the car. Check it out, links down below. If you liked the video, hit it with a big thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.